Now a question arises, 0 is a rational number. That means 0 is a rational number. 0. That is 0. Is it a rational number? Yes, it is a rational number because 0 can be written as 0 by 1. That means this can be written in the form of P by Q, where P equal to 0 and Q is equal to 1. In rational number, it should be written in the form of P by Q, where Q not equal to 0. Here Q is 1, so it is a rational number. Now, how can we find out the rational numbers in between two numbers? That means if this is a number, line this is 0 and this is 1 and this is 2. Now, how can we find out the rational number in between 1 and 2? That means this 1 by 2. Like that. These all are the points which are rational numbers. Now, how can we find out it theoretically? So, we want to find out five rational number in between 1 by 3 and 1 by 2. How we can find out the 5 rational numbers? First, what we want to do, 1 by 3 and 1 by 2. First, convert these fractions into equivalent fraction whose denominator are same. That is, here we want to do multiplied by 2 and here we multiplied by 3 by 3. Then this 1 by 3 and 1 by 2 become 2 by 6 and 3 by 6. Now 1 by 3 and 1 by 2 is converted as 2 by 6 and 3 by 6. Now how we will we need 5 rational numbers. So we again multiply. Now the denominators are same. So we need 5 rational number. So we can multiply it by 6 or it is easy to multiply by 10. So we are multiplying by 10. 10 by 10 and 3 by 6 into 10 by 10. That is 20 by 60 and here it is 30 by 60. So we can put 21 by 60, 22 by 60, 23 by 60, 24 by 60, 25 by 60. And this is 30. Here we need only 5 fractions. So we write this or 5 only. So, operation of real numbers. Here, real number means rational and irrational number. Numbers. So, a rational number, we know the all operations, addition, subtraction, multiplication and division of rational numbers. Already we have learned. Now how we will add, subtract or multiplied or divide irrational number, that we will learn in this class. Irrational For example, root 2, root 3, root 5 are our common irrational numbers. Now, how we will add, subtract or multiply and divide. In the case of addition, root 2 plus root 3. It is same as root 2 plus root 3 because these irrational numbers are unlike term because here it is root 2 and root 3 just like a and b. So we cannot add root 2 plus root 3. It is same as root 2 plus root 3. But we can add root 2 plus 3 root 2. That is equal to 5 root 2 plus 3, 5. 5, yeah, we can write 2. Root 2 we can take common. So 2 plus 3, that is 5 root. Same way, subtraction. If they are like term, we can subtract, and unlike term, we cannot add. Subtract. Add 2 root 2 plus 5 root 2 and root 2 minus 3 root 3. So what we will do? Add. We want to add this and this term. So 2 root 2 plus 5 root 3 plus root 2 minus 3 root 3. Now here like terms are these two and these two are like terms. Here root 2 and root 2. Root 2, coefficient of root 2 here is 1. So 2 root 2 plus 1 root 2 is 3 root 2 plus 5 root 3 and minus 3 root 3. That is 2 root 3. So our answer is this. 3 root 2 plus 2 root 3. Now in the case of addition also the same way. Now multiplication. 6 root 2 multiplied by 2 root 5. So how we will multiply here? 6 root 2 into 2 root 5. That is equal to 6 into 2 into root 2 into root 5. That is equal to 12 root 10. 2 5s are 10. Root 2 into root 5 is root 10. Yeah, under root 2 into 5, that is root 10. Now in the case of division, 8 root 15 divided by 2 root 3. 8 root 15 upon 2 root 3. Now 2 can cancel 4. That is 4 into, now root 15 can be written as root 5 into root 3 divided by root 3. So root 3 and root 3 are cancelled. Then it is 4 root 5. So we can write as root A plus root B. Here both are different, unlike term. This is same as root A plus root B. Now root A plus root A. Here both are same, so it is 1 root A plus 1 root A. That is 2 root A. Now root A into root B equal to root AB. So root A into root A equal to it is A. Now root A minus root B into root A plus root B. Here we can use the identity, that is equal to A plus B. Root A by root B equal to root A by B. In irrational number, the standard form of an irrational number is always that irrational number, that surd should be in the numerator only, not in the denominator. If it comes in the denominator, we rationalize that denominator. That means doing some property here, we will disappearing that under root in denominator. So, how we will do it? That is simplifying the irrational number. So, if the question is like this, 2 by root 3. So, what we will do? We will multiply numerator and denominator by root 3. That it becomes 2 root 3 divided by root 3 into root 3 is 3. Now, look, the denominator is not containing irrational number. So next example is the second, 2 root 2 by root 5. So also whatever may be the denominator which is irrational number, we will multiply it by numerator and denominator. That because if we cancel this, it is same as 2 root 2 by root 5. Here it is 2 into root 2 into 5 root 10 divided by root 5 into root 5, that is equal to 5. So the answer is 2 root 10 by 5. Now, if it comes like this, 1 by 2 root 2, 1 upon root 2 plus root 3. How we will remove the surds from the denominator? Here we will say rationalize the denominator. How we will do? Here it is A plus B. If we multiplied A plus B by A minus B, it will become A square minus B square. That means that two terms will be converted into square and under root will be disappear. Let us see. 1 by root 2 plus root 3. Now what we will do? We will take root 2 minus root 3 and multiply numerator and denominator by this. Now what happens? 1 into root 2 minus root 3 is root 2 minus root 3 divided by, here it is A plus B into A minus B. That is root 2 square minus root 3 square. That is root 2 minus root 3 divided by root 2 ka square 2 minus root 3 ka square root 3 into root 3, that is root 9, that is equal to 3. So root 2 minus root 3 divided by minus 1. This is our answer. Now one more example. 2 root 2 divided by root 3 minus root 5. Now, what we will do? We will only check the denominator. Now, it is root 3 minus root 5. So, we multiply the fraction by root 3 plus root 5 divided by root 3 plus root 5. Numerator and denominator are multiplied by the conjugate of the denominator, that is root 3 minus root 5, then its conjugate root 3 plus root 5. So we multiply numerator and denominator by it. So it becomes 2 root 2 into root 3 plus root 5 upon, here it is A minus B into A plus B, A square minus B square, root 5 square, which is equal to 2 into root 6 plus 2 into root 10 divided by root 3 is square, that is 3. And here it is root 5 square, that is equal to minus 5. Now here we can take 2 outside. So root 6 plus root 10 divided by minus 2. That is minus into root 3 plus root 10 is the answer. Now look this answer here. The denominator is not containing any irrational number.